Probably try it. All right, we have lipstick.
Ooh.
We're burning that lipstick. All of the
To get
videos
spirits.
to unlock the ancient Egyptian spirits.
Egyptian already?
Yeah.
Or Japanese?
Well, it's a Japanese show, but it's based on Egyptian mythology. Yeah.
Oh,
it's pretty cool. All right, so that's pretty good, but it's a little uneven, a little asymmetrical.
Yeah, but still good.
Whoa.
Still fine.
Whoa, I feel like I'm getting hypnotized. Oh my gosh.
Well, what is this for? I mean, it's not a perfect draw.
I don't know, but all of a sudden I think 5 Minute Crafts is the most amazing channel on the internet. Don't you feel this? It's true. Oh my god. Guys, were you also hypnotized? Let us know.
Yeah.
Or were you hypnotized to think Archie 5 is the best channel on the internet?
Yeah.
I think that's the one.
That's the one.
Okay, so we have some more.
We hypnotized you with our perfect videos, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it was too much, right?
It was too much. Whoa. Rewind.
Not the reactions video.
Okay.
Okay. And
wow. Why?
You destroy your wall.
You destroy your wall. You waste your things, and I guess you can use it to hang things.
Yep.
Why would you do that? I just don't get it. This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah,
this looks nice.
Oh,
that's skillful.
Wow, that's so symmetrical.
They did it very smoothly. Oh, it's like one of those snakes that you know, the wooden snakes.
Yep.
And it like hurts your fingers. Like if it catches your finger, it like pulls off the skin.
Mm-hmm.
Good old times.
Yeah, and when they touch your hair on the
yeah.
finger,
Yeah, it's just like that. You guys know what we're talking about. All right.
What is that for?
I don't know. It was just a bendy piece of wood.
They just show us. That's it.
Sometimes you just have a bendy piece of wood. You just want.
You don't need it more.
It's funny because usually you want to make wood hard, and they just chose to make it bendy. Nice.
Okay, nice.
It's kind of cool. I've seen some like modern table designs and stuff like that with this sort of thing. Also, you can make it like a menu for a restaurant.
Okay.
Probably try it. All right, we have lipstick.
Ooh.
We're burning that lipstick. All right.
Wow.
His wife is not happy.
Yeah.
That was expensive Chanel lipstick. All right, we're doing some wood cutting. That is actually a lot harder than it looks.
Way harder.
It's way harder than it looks.
Yeah.
That wood is super hard. Okay, so now we're drilling in the middle of the wood.
We already.
Ow! Okay, buy me dinner first, jeez. And then.
Okay, what is it?
It looks like it's gonna be like a little instrument, like a type of thing, you know?
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't look so at all. I mean,
you just aren't musical.
Sorry, me.
Yeah. All right, so it's probably not gonna be.
Just imagine now somehow they flipped it over and
and it's a flute. That would be amazing. All right.
Okay, I think it's no. I have no idea what it could be. It's like a DIY lipstick thing.
Ah, it's for the lipstick. Okay, wifey will not be upset with us. Okay.
Okay.
This looks complicated. This is a complicated procedure. How many steps are there to a lipstick thing? We get some rose petals.
It's good for requirement, I guess.
Not too bad, yeah. For a Valentine's Day present, if you're a craftsman, that's it. That's the one.
I think she will appreciate it.
She will.
Or
maybe not. Or he. Or not. They might not.
I think, yes. I would appreciate it.
Okay. Rose powder. Honey.
Is it the charcoals?
Yeah, they're burning some charcoal. Melting it all together and making the nice waxy finish. The waxy pad finish.
I think it's not the wax. It's lips.
Well, yeah, it's lipstick, but I mean, yeah, it looks like wax anyway.
Okay.
Nice. It looks pretty legit.
Oh my gosh.
I would be, that looks pretty impressive actually.
Yeah, wow, fully.
I would just put the Gucci stamp on it. Look, I got you this Gucci lipstick, babe.
I think there is such a thing.
There probably is,
Gucci, yeah. Me neither. But it looks expensive.
It does look expensive.
Yeah.
UV
but some bunch
epoxy.
of work.
It's
That's
a lot of work.
Why it's expensive. It looks expensive.
You have to really love your partner for this. Do you love your partner enough? This is a test of your love.
Would you do it?
Would you do it for your partner? Do it now if you love your partner.
If no,
like this video.
It was too much.
Yeah, it was too much. Ah, and it's a nice little cap.
Okay.
Yay! Lipstick. Cool.
Why are we trying to imitate her voice? She
I wasn't
said
trying to
nothing
imitate. I was
in it.
imitating my voice.
Ah, okay.
Sometimes I just sound like that. You should know. You have your moments.
Yeah.
You get the wood and you put the waves on the wood, and then afterwards you cut the wood, I would assume, but I don't really know.
I don't know. Never.
Okay, so now we're cutting the wood, and I'm not sure where we're going. Whoa, hey there, buddy. What are you doing?
Oh.
It seems like 5 Minute Crafts has some pretty good tools at their disposal, I would say.
Oh.
Now he's getting some tape, and now I just don't know where he's going with this.
He goes too far, I guess.
He goes a little too far. Now I'm a little nervous. I don't understand.
Okay, that's really weird action.
What is happening? I don't get the point of it all. You get some glue and you stick it together, and that's supposed to make things work. I just don't understand it.
Wait a second. Are we gonna do this whole video?
What are you talking about? Alright, so we have wood hacks. That's what it's all about. Wait 30 minutes. Oh, it kind of looks cool. It looks like my voice sounds when I do that. Whoa.
Exactly.
Guys, check out my wood. Alright,
Oh,
so we have
another wood connection.
wooden connections. Alright, we're sticking pieces of wood together. What are we gonna make? More wood.
Nothing. It was just a connection, I guess.
What's your skill as a wood craftsman? I like turning 2 pieces of wood into 1 piece of wood. It's pretty intense, man. All right, now we're burning some metal. This is getting intense. It's getting hot in here.
Yeah.
So you know what they say when it's getting hot in here. Take off all your No, don't actually do that. Keep your clothes on. Come on. I know you're on your couch alone at home and it's 3 a.m., but come on. Have some standards. Now we have some nice little wooden connections here.
Ooh. That's...
Ooh. I like that.
Hey.
That's nice.
Wow.
Is it gonna fit in perfectly?
Yeah.
Oh. That's the stuff.
Wow.
That's the stuff.
That's the stuff.
Okay, more wood glue. All right, we're
Glue
getting
it.
some glue, and we're gonna put this here. It reminds me of like, do you know Yu-Gi-Oh?
Doesn't it work only when it's water on it? I mean, when it's a bit.
Oh,
water.
maybe, yeah, maybe it'll chip otherwise.
Yeah.
Ah, then I don't know what the point is.
Just to bend it and leave it and keep it.
Ah,
I
to
mean,
keep the shape.
Yes, you said about tables maybe.
Okay, maybe.
Tables for our things.
Okay.
Write us in the comment. What...
Let us know in the comments if you're a skilled
Yeah,
expert
expert.
craftsman, and even if you aren't, you'll let us know anyway. Okay, so we have wood, we have a sander, a polisher, and then
And this...
it's nice and connected.
Yeah, but for what such a connection? I mean, it's not a 90 degrees angle or something,
Yeah.
you know. But I mean,
My gosh, this video has more connections than LinkedIn. It's excessive. All right, at least it's not posting updates about their new job that's so much better than mine. Come on, I don't care that you went to Harvard, Samantha.
okay.
All right, so we have some wood, some glue, and another piece of wood. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay,
Yes, baby.
it's like 2 hands grabbing together. It's unity.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
it's holding hands around the
Nice,
world
good.
type of stuff.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's nice you noticed this.
Yeah.
Because I didn't. I thought it's just a wood connection.
I think it was, and I'm just finding more than there
No,
is,
I
you know.
love your ideas.
Okay, never
you
mind.
know,
My
yeah.
ideas are great.
Yeah.
And now we have a octagon, or is it a hexagon? No, it's an octagon. Uno, dos, tres.
I'm trying to count the angles.
Una, dos, tres, octo. Okay, so now we have an hourglass shape with glue, and we fill it in,
And
and
you fix it.
what next? Tell me. I need answers.
You know, I think we need to change the place after
do,
a while.
yeah.
Yeah, because with this my
You're gonna have like really bad hearing in just
yeah,
that year. Okay,
that's already something.
we should definitely.